You know it's time to groove. I don't know where I've been, but I know where I'm going.
Join us?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Holy shit!
Are you recording?
How bad we flipped it?
I don't know if I got Riley flipping, but
The wheel's fucked, but
Oh, that's just a rebeat.
Woo! Every single tire except for that one is rebeated.
Yeah, that one's good.
No, look at the
Oh, no, it's not. No, it ain't.
That one just has the two chains gone. Where's the chain?
Nah, it usually does that.
The chain fell off.
Wow, you fucked. I didn't even see what happened. I just saw dust.
He dug.
Yeah, I
he
saw
dug
that. I just saw
so
dust
hard.
and then everyone start running. I just saw Nick start running.
how do you feel?
I'm the only one in blue.
You're fine? Perfect.
Fine.
Fucking roll cage
told you.
works. I guess that's a good
Wait, did
thing.
you roll over?
Yes! Yeah, dude!
Oh, you went all
Yes!
the way over?
That's the reason I
Holy
started running.
shit. Wait, please tell me you got that on video.
I had
Oh, this is gonna be great footage to look at, dude.